Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Happy Tuesday. It has been a warm, windy, and humid one out there. Looking at your live weather on camera at Rockport, you've got a mild 69 degrees, a southeast wind at 9 miles an hour. No rain in their immediate area. You look out towards the Kingsville area, 73 degrees, also cloudy, with an east-southeast wind howling along at 18 miles an hour. Back on the west side of Corpus Christi, 17-mile-an-hour east wind and 71 degrees. Now, looking at the satellite radar loop, and this is the high definition visible imagery, you do see enhanced high clouds moving from west to east. But underneath that, you see the low clouds and the associated showers working their way northward, mainly west of our area. But that's not going to hold. They're going to continue working their way ever so much slowly eastward as the system that's causing the rain moves closer to us. And that system is also pushing colder air down, and you've got temperatures in the 40s and 50s down to that well-defined cold front that extends from near Shreveport to north of Lufkin and between Austin and San Antonio, 15-degree difference there, and down towards Del Rio. South of there, it's warm and humid. That's what we're seeing here. Temperatures in the 70s for the most part. Rockport at 69. You saw Port A at 69, 70, 71 degrees. But that front will kind of meander around and not really make a lot of progress. It eventually kind of oozes its way across our area, but lingers around long enough to serve as a focus for additional rain. And we're going to see modest amounts of rain with most of the energy in the upper atmosphere traipsing off to the north of us. Now, temperatures do cool off a little bit tonight as that front moves just over us. So we'll be in the lower 50s to the north and northwest of us out towards Tilden and George West, lower 60s along the immediate coastline and around that here in Corpus Christi. Now, tomorrow's highs, a bit milder than what we saw today, upper 60s to lower 70s, east wind at 9 to 12 miles an hour. In fact, east and southeast winds will stay in play Wednesday and Thursday, a brief wind shift to the northeast on Friday, and again next Monday. Strong southerly winds on Sunday. Well, here is the upper level system driving all the rain. We'll see some in here tomorrow evening, and then another wave of showers as one system ejects out over us. That'll be Friday morning. So just isolated showers there. More rain coming into play late Saturday into Sunday, and yet another upper level disturbance moving across Monday, that one with some slightly colder air. So we'll have several little areas of disturbed weather moving across our region, but no real cold air coming in, and fairly modest rainfall amounts, generally less than a quarter of an inch the next couple of days. In other words, tonight, showers will be likely, but not heavy. East northeast wind 10 to 18 miles an hour, a low in the upper 50s. High tomorrow around the 70-degree mark, but showers are going to be fairly widespread, but light showers. Nothing really heavy out there. And you do see the shower chances once again Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. But look at the temperatures, way above normal. 70s for highs, upper 50s to lower 60s for lows. It hardly seems like the deaths of January.